In the heart of the ocean, staying connected and in control is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Every decision counts, every connection matters, every second is critical. As you move, we guard. With Sailogger-NEO, a revolutionary in maritime technology, designed to empower you to mastering the ocean's Sailogger-NEO, a vessel monitoring and optimization system, engineered for precision, reliability, and control. Track every mile, forecast every storm, monitor every detail. From engine performance to real-time vessel positioning, Sailogger-NEO gives you control where it matters most. With a 360-degree technology solution, Sailogger-NEO brings you real-time tracking of vessel speed and heading, interactive live maps and precise positioning ensures you're always under the radar, whatever the challenge at the sea. Live weather forecasts, including wind speed, direction, and temperature to make sure you are well prepared for any condition. Ensures your crew stays connected, enabling better coordination and smoother operations with SkyChat, your lifeline to seamless communication across the fleet. SOS or SSAS for emergency alerts because your safety is priority. Built for performance, Sailogger-NEO features a 7-inch touchscreen display, secured with 4-digit enclosure lock system, supported with backup battery to make sure it always on, metal black design with cooling systems. Easily get full insights of engine data in every shipment with Sailink Navigator Plus. Every mile you take is protected. Sail further, sail smarter. Sailogger-NEO by Skyreach. Empower the future of maritime.